Hello, everyone. Welcome to this wonderful magical journey where you start living a life full of happiness. Yesterday, we talked about how we can convert, how we can transform our mistakes into blessings. So, mistakes are about those situations where we were not comfortable and we faced the challenge, but then we couldn't get through that challenge, or we faced some difficult situation and how to get out of that. First thing is that you think of those opportunities which you might have missed. Second is being observant and taking the learning from that, so those learnings will become your blessings because you understand that this was the learning and how you need to take your life further. So that whole process can be a bit slow. It is just like a circle of life where you start from up and then you keep on rotating, just like a giant wheel. But then you understand later in life that it is all the ups and downs which matter in life, and that keeps happening. But what is required is your right intention. And when you keep moving ahead, keep practicing, and keep going in your life, what is required is you being observant. You observe things, you understand, be aware of it, and you are able to overcome all your obstacles. Now, what are obstacles? They are your beliefs that you those are formed over a period of time. कि किसी ने बोला कि आप तो ये काम कर ही नहीं सकते, so you feel okay, that is my that belief system you form in your mind. It stores in your subconscious mind. Or maybe you went to some interview and could get through, so you form that belief that it is happening now, and then what happens is that you start attracting that situation again and again in your life because that becomes part of you. You start believing in that belief of yours, and that becomes your limiting belief. So we have to come out of that limiting belief by practicing and striving towards what we want to achieve in life, and by being grateful for what we have, by understanding the whole situation, being aware of it, observing, and keep moving ahead in your lives. So that was about yesterday. And any questions, any sharings you would like to share? Or we move ahead in today's chapter. Today is another beautiful chapter which talks about magic mirror. So mostly what happens is that we neglect our lives. We are very hard to ourselves, and we mostly are guilty about what happens in our life, all the situations. We become guilty, like हमें कुछ काम जैसे हमने करा तो हमें लगा अगर हम ऐसे बोल देते तो ज्यादा अच्छा था, या उसने हमें ये बोला तो मैंने क्यों नहीं वापस उसको बोला, या ये सिचुएशन मैंने ऐसे क्यों नहीं हैंडल करी। तो हम गिल्टी हो जाते हैं, या हम किसी को ब्लेम करने लग जाते हैं. So little do we understand that we have to be like a child who mostly take things in a positive manner, because we are all born happy, whole, and complete. But then over a period of time, what happens is that we form that belief which I was just talking about, and those limiting beliefs don't let us move further in our lives. तो हम सोचते हैं कि वो तो ऐसा ही कर रहा है इसीलिए मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है, या ये सिचुएशन मैं इसलिए हैंडल नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि ये हो गया मेरी लाइफ में, या मैं इंटरव्यू इसलिए नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं था, मुझे बहुत देर से कॉल आया, आई रीच लेट, or maybe it was not my subject, they were asking some absurd questions, whatever. So you keep starting forming those limiting beliefs, and that area expands in your subconscious mind. So we need to reprogram it and understand how to take our lives further, how to come out of that limiting belief, how to reprogram our mind, recondition, and restructure. That is the main thing which we are going to learn in this chapter today. So, who is going to read? Manisha, would you like to read?
Yes, just give me. I don't know. Something went wrong. Just give me a minute. Have you? I don't know
Take
what's.
minute, 1 minute.
हाँ कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया मेरे फोन में. Just let me try again.
No, no, I'm sharing. You will
Okay, okay,
you will
okay,
just
okay,
see. Can
okay.
you see now?
Yeah, the magic
A27.
mirror 27.
Yeah,
Should I read?
magic mirrors.
Should
Please start.
The appearance of things changes according to the emotions, and thus we see the magic and beauty in them, while the magic and beauty are really in ourselves. Kahil Gibran, 1883 1931, poet and artist.
Yeah,
You
he's a
can sp-
wonderful poet, Khalil Gibran. So, like, if you feel that beauty and happiness they lie outside, and it all matters how your perception goes, because the biggest asset in the world is your mindset. So whatever your perception is about life, कि अगर कोई अच्छे से अपीयरेंस दिख रही है तो आपको लगेगा कि वो बेटर है, that is maybe that is happiness, and that is the real beauty. Or you feel that if the body language is good, that is the real beauty. Or if someone is able to speak properly, that is the real beauty. Or with a person who some person who has a good height, maybe that is the real beauty. So the beauty doesn't lie outside, it lies inside. How you take your life, actually how your perception is, that is the actual beauty and happiness. It's an inward journey rather. So when you perceive life as it is, as it should be, rather than seeing from the outside view, जब आप अंदर की दुनिया से झांक कर देखते हैं, तब आपको सही मायने में पता चलता है that what is actually what it is. Because however you want to see the world as it is, it happens. It starts happening because it is all your perception. So what consumes our mind controls our life. Yes, please.
You can spend the rest of your life running around trying to beat the outside world into the shape you want, chasing one problem after another, trying to fix them, complaining about situations or other people, and never succeed in living your life to the fullest and realizing all of your dreams. But when you make the magic of gratitude your way of life, everything in the world
135.
around you.
अच्छा
One.
तो टोटल कितना कर लीजिए, कितना हो
Please
गया?
mute yourself.
चलो
Yeah.
अभी कितनी बिलिंग कितनी होगी? 283 with GST.
Yes, continue, Manish.
Everything in the world around you magically changes just like that. Your world magically changes because you changed. So what are you attracting change to? In the inspirational words of Gandhi and in the lyrics of Michael Jackson's song Man in the Mirror, which impacted hundreds of millions, one of the most powerful messages of all time was delivered. Change the person in the mirror and your world will change.
1 minute.
If you have
Yeah. So beautifully, Gandhi ji expressed that change the
yeah,
person in the mirror and your
and
world.
your world will
That is such a
change.
beautiful quote. So the thing is, you start improving your circumstances when you change the world around you. It so happens. And another thing is that Jackson songs. It's one of my favorite songs, "Man in the Mirror."
And the mirror, yeah.
It's a beautiful song, so I would like to play it now. And if all of you can hum along, or you want to sing along, and or just speak along, or whatever way, but do speak along while I play this. So just 1 minute. Best, I think, his best video. Really. All right. So we can
I
reach.
forgot where were we? I really forgot.
I'll tell you.
I think in the
So
inspirational
after
verse, yeah, after they
change
change
the
the person,
person
if
in
you
the
have
mirror,
followed, now,
and
if you
your
have
life will
followed,
change. Yeah, if you have.
huh? Okay. If you have followed the 26 magical practices to this point, you have changed. And even though it is sometimes hard to see the changes in yourself, you will have felt the change in your happiness, and you will have seen the change of improved circumstances in your life and the magical changes in the world around you. You have practiced the magical power of gratitude for your family and friends, for your work, money, and health, for your dreams, and even for the people you come across each day. But the person who deserves your gratitude more than anyone else is you. When you are grateful to be the person in the mirror, feelings of dissatisfaction, discontentment, disappointment, or I'm not good enough completely disappear. And with them, every dissatisfying, disconnecting, and disappointing circumstances in your life magically disappears too.
Okay, so
Next.
who is the person in the mirror?
Mm,
That person in the mirror is you yourself. What is being talked here in this chapter? That you talk to yourself in the mirror. You have to be grateful for yourself, for who you are, who you are not, whatever the situation has been. Maybe you are not satisfied with your appearance, maybe you are not satisfied with what is happening around in your life, maybe you are most of the time desperate or guilty, or you feel low at times, you sometimes have negative feelings. Whatever the situation is, talk to that person in the mirror, be with him. What happens is that when we have that suppose we are wearing a red colored glasses, so the world will appear red to us. It is what our perception is. But we have to understand actually who the person is in the mirror, what actually that person wants, and how can we be grateful for that person. What is that thing for which we have to be grateful to that person? Yes, please.
when you're grateful to be the person in the mirror, I think I read this, no? Yeah. Negative feelings about yourself cause the greatest damage to your life because they are more powerful than any feelings you have about anything or anyone else. Wherever you go and whatever you do, you take those negative feelings with you in every moment, and those feelings tint everything you touch, and they act as a magnet, attracting more dissatisfaction, discontentment, and disappointment with everything you do. When you are grateful to be you, you will only attract circumstances that make you feel even better about yourself. Even you have to be rich with good feelings about yourself to bring the richest of life to you. Gratitude for yourself enriches you.
Yeah.
Whoever has.
So you have to be grateful to yourself. We have to be grateful to ourselves. The thing is, sometimes we are not in good mood, say. तो क्या कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगता, खाने को भी कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता, कुछ अच्छा आगे आपको दिख भी नहीं रहा कि कुछ कुछ बढ़िया हो रहा है, चाहे कितना भी अच्छा खाना बनाओ, चाहे कहीं पर भी जाना हो, कुछ मन नहीं करता कि तैयार होके जाएं, बिकॉज योर माइंड सेट इज द बिगेस्ट एसेट. Your mind becomes your it starts ruling you. So if you don't rule your mind, the mind starts ruling us. It so happens. So we need to understand that sometimes we are in front of the mirror, and what we see, हमें क्या दिखता है, हमें ये दिखता है अरे ये तो डबल चिन भी दिख रहा है, और बाल भी ऐसे हो गए हैं, और स्किन भी ठीक नहीं है. तो वी स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग फॉल्ट्स इन आवर सेल्फ कि ये भी ठीक नहीं है, वो भी ठीक नहीं है. But little do we realize that the person in the mirror is ourselves. How can we talk to that person? How can we be grateful to that person and accept the person as it is? And it is very important that when you look in the mirror, you accept it the way you are not. And how, by being grateful to that person, you can really improve your life. That is the whole idea. How you can change your perception. Absolutely, it starts happening. And I experienced it myself. I'm so happy with people around me. But I am also very happy when I'm alone. I enjoy that too. So that is a wonderful experience. Yes, please.
Whoever has gratitude for themselves will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for themselves, when what he or she has will be taken from him or her. To the magic mirror practice, go to a mirror right now. Look directly at the person in the mirror and out loud say the magic words, "Thank you," with all your heart. Mean it more than you ever have before. Say thank you for being you. Say thank you for everything that you are. Say thank you with at least the same amount of feeling you have used for everything and everyone else. Be grateful for you just as you are. Continue with the magic mirror practice by being grateful to that beautiful person in the mirror for the rest of the day today. And say the magic words thank you every time you look at yourself in the mirror. If you're not in a position to say the magic words out loud at any particular time, then you can say them in your mind. And if you're really brave, you can look in the magic mirror and say three things about yourself that you're grateful for. If for
So when it is written, if you are really brave, what is the meaning? If you are really brave, can anyone
could
tell
it
me?
could it be at that time when you're going through negativity, you like, I mean,
Yeah.
huh? I think you lose that thing, no? I mean, you don't dare to say something about yourself good. You should be brave to say something good. Could it be that thing?
It can be that thing. It is also that when you really brave, बहुत ही ज्यादा आप में बहादुरी कब होती है? See, you can talk about all the whole world. पूरा दिन हम सबके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, वो
Beta,
ऐसा है, वो वैसा है. बट अगर हमें अपने बारे में कुछ बोलना हो तो हमें सीखना पड़ता है, कहीं जाके हमें कोचिंग लेनी पड़ती है, हाउ टू टॉक अबाउट आवरसेल्फ, हाउ टू गिव इंटरव्यू. वी हैव टू टेक लेसन्स फॉर दैट. अपने बारे में हम कैसे बात करते हैं, हमें सब कुछ सीखना पड़ता है. So the thing is that you have to be really brave in the sense that you have to, what all you have gone through in life, you have to really be very brave to accept that. कि आपने क्या क्या महसूस करा अब तक, आपने क्या क्या experiences करे हैं, what all you have gone through in life, so many turmoils, maybe so many situations you handle, and you handle them, you only handle it, you know. So you have to be courageous enough to accept it and to take it. तो वो आपने सब हैंडल करा, आपने सब उसको सहा, उसको समझा. It's a very big achievement, and you have to really appreciate yourself for that. That yes, you have done that, and you and only you can do it further. Yes, please.
if for any reason in the future you're not being kind to yourself, you will know to give to the one person who deserves your gratitude more than anyone else, the person in the mirror. When you are grateful, you don't blame yourself when you make a mistake. When you're grateful, you don't criticize yourself when you're not perfect. When you're grateful for being you, you are happy. And you will become a magnet to happy people, happy situations, and magical circumstances, which will surround you wherever you go and in whatever you do. When you can see the magic in that person in the mirror, your whole world will be changed.
Yeah. So today we will do this exercise where you will write three things. You can write in your phone or some notepad, wherever. We will do this exercise right away. The thing is that you have to understand that you are grateful to yourself for what you are, for what you are not. कुछ कमियां भी होती हैं. We are all humans. Nobody is perfect. So जो भी mistakes हुई, जो भी अच्छा हुआ, just authentically imagine, write, and While writing, you will also understand what all you have gone through and what all you have achieved in life. So, this is a practice which we will do just now. And one more thing I would like to add here is that when you are trying to write about yourself, that you are grateful for all these many things, because this practice will miraculously change your way of thinking. It will change your whole perspective about yourself. It will be a new you, because throughout these practices of 26 chapters, we have what we have been learning is how to change, the atmosphere around, how to be grateful for everybody in the, we cannot change anybody, but the thing is that how to be grateful for the people that are in our lives, how to be grateful for what we have rather than being ungrateful and cribbing about and always complaining about what we don't have. So we need to realize that structure. And when we are writing, तो आप ये सोचिए कि आपने क्या क्या अभी तक अचीवमेंट करी, एनी प्राइज दैट यू वन, स्कूल में कोई कभी किसी टीचर ने कुछ अप्रिशिएट करा हो, कभी पेरेंट्स ने अप्रिशिएट करा हो, कभी किसी फ्रेंड ने कुछ अच्छा कहा हो, और मे बी यू वेंट आउट फॉर शॉपिंग ऑन योर ओन एंड यू शॉप समथिंग विच यू रियली लाइक्ड, या फिर आपको कभी इंटरव्यू में आप गए और आपका सिलेक्शन हो गया, या फिर बीइंग अ वुमन व्हेन यू गिव बर्थ टू अ चाइल्ड, or or any happy moment when your child first time said something to you and you were very happy. So what was that few moments, those happy moments, or any of your achievement which you feel? So just be grateful. And I would like you all to write three things, just three sentences about yourself right now, how you are feeling, and be grateful to those three things in your life. So just take a minute and write. You can write in your phone also. And if you are done, please write in the chat box done.
Sangeeta, could you please repeat what you said because I lost the connection?
Gone. This is okay. Taran?
Yeah, I lost the connection in between there. Twice I
Oh,
lost it.
okay.
Wanted to know what did you say just then?
So you have to write three things about yourself for which you are really grateful for.
Okay, right.
Those can be pertaining to your school days or college days, or somewhere you achieved something in your life, or some happy moments you went out with friend over coffee, or you shopped something, or you the birth of your child, whatever the best moment of your life.
Okay,
Three
great.
things
Thanks.
about yourself, or maybe you are happy as the way you are, about yourself, something good about yourself, how you speak, or something, whatever you find it for yourself. And if done, please write done in the chat box. Those who are writing and they have completed. Okay, is it done? Because this practice is going to change you completely as a person. A new perspective will come in your life. Manisha, are you done? Start reading. All right. So now we will do this magic practice number 27. Manisha, are you there?
I'll
Please.
read.
Okay,
Yeah,
please
I'll read.
unmute. Yeah.
Magic practice number 27, the magic mirror. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for the blessings as you can. Number two, each time you look at yourself in a mirror today, say thank you and mean it more than you ever have before. If you are really brave while looking in the mirror, say three things you are grateful for about yourself. Number four, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes. Thank you so much for reading
Thank
this
you.
beautiful
Thank you.
chapter. Thank you. Thank you.
Pleasure was mine.
So, like you did the practice of writing, there's another
Yeah.
technique here where you will visualize and you close your eyes, and for a moment you will visualize that what were those three things for which you can be grateful for. So, the idea is that here you will start thinking about yourself, and instead of looking around for happiness outside, you will start searching within for happiness, because the happiness actually lies within. We are all energies, and you are part of that divine energy, you are part of that divine being. And when you understand that, you start being grateful for that. You are happy, and you continuously be in that happy mode forever, because you understand that you are a human and you can commit mistake, but then what is the outcome? You realize it, how to move on further in your life, and be grateful for what you have, for what you are. So you are now responsible for who you are. You are now responsible for what you have in life and what you do in life. So that is the whole idea. And also the two practices of magic rock and counting your blessing, that will also continue. So I will have another sharing now. Before that, I would like to yeah, thank everybody for joining. I think just left. So, sir, are you there? Mr. Singh, are you there, sir? Brigadier Singh? I think he just left. Okay. Anyways. So, don't look for your worth in people or productivity. Can you see?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
You want me to
Speak
read?
to yourself with true compassion. Accept what you cannot change. Say no without hesitation. Somewhere we do have to speak no. And there is a technique of how to say no without saying no. It is a wonderful technique. Put your phone down. Know yourself. So that is a practice of self love, which we have to learn to practice. So what is the takeaway from? Can anyone tell me few things just in a quick way? We will understand what are the takeaways about today's chapter, about what we have when we are talking to
Is
our
it seeing good in oneself and valuing oneself and self worth? Is it? Could
yes,
be that.
very true.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also, we have to understand that we don't need to criticize ourselves. We
Yeah.
have to learn
Yeah.
to forgive ourselves also and be surrounded by the most best positive people around us. Find out, identify who are the positive people and who are the people who are negative, who are creating negativity. They are toxic people. So you need to identify those people in your lives.
And we should not see ourselves in a mirror in a negative way.
Yes. So you have to see yourself in a positive way. Thank you. Wonderful. And what else? Anyone can also unmute and please tell me what do you feel? What is the takeaway from this chapter? Because there must be some learning that you understand.
We should we should always cherish even the small things about what we did in life.
Yes, even the smallest of thing is so important. It is so meaningful because that really happened to you and only you can understand it. Nobody else will understand about your achievements and what you have done and what you have gone through in life. Thank you. Wonderful, Shreya.
Could it be that everyone is special and they have something special about
Yes.
them?
Everyone, this universe, God has made each one of us as special. We all are special. We are all unique in our own ways. Very nice. So, anything else anybody would like to share or you want to?
How about keep improving so that next time when you look at yourself in the mirror, you are a much better person.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you. Thank you, Taran. Is that Taran? Yeah. So, wonderful.
Ingita.
Oh, Ingita. Okay. So, yeah, you always appreciate yourself for what you are. And very important thing is that you stand up for yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Start respecting yourself.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
You take charge of your life.
And
Nobody has
self
the right to take
self
charge of
respect is
it.
important.
That is very important.
Yes, ma'am.
When you start respecting yourself, you value yourself more. And you take charge of your life. Be responsible for any action and stop blaming and criticizing others. It is you who has to take charge of your life. That is very important. And the most important part, be grateful to yourself as you are. Okay, another sharing we will have. And to the whole chapter, like what did you understand? Is it clear with everyone?
That we should be very positive about ourselves,
Yes,
and there's something special about each one of us.
yes,
And just whenever you look into mirror, you'll find a new you. And never give up and just see something good about you, and just acknowledge it that yes, I'm capable of something and I am something.
yes.
Yeah, is to
Yeah, please, Vidu, tell me.
love
Thank you, Manisha. Yeah.
yourself and then to respect yourself.
Can't hear
I think the
Vidu?
main thing is to respect yourself and love yourself. If you do it,
Yes,
everybody.
yes.
I say it's just love yourself and respect yourself.
Yeah,
That's
that
the
is
main
very
thing.
important.
If you do it for yourself, the others also respect you.
Yes, we have to stand by ourselves, stand for ourselves. Absolutely. Thank you so much for all your sharings. So, anybody would like to add here something or any questions regarding today's chapter, or we can conclude today's class? So, any sharings? So, thank you all for joining. And
Thank you,
yes,
Sangeeta, for such a lovely session.
so yeah, it is a wonderful chapter. I really enjoy doing this.
Yeah,
And yes,
it was
thank you,
great.
Ingita, for yeah, focus on your positive. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Thank you,
Bye.
Vivi.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye
Bye.
bye,
Mm.
all of you. Thank
Thank
you
you.
all.
Bye.
One more thing I would like to add here that those who want to continue, they can tell me, they can write in the group and we can continue with the smaller, you know, few sessions So just let me know, those who would be interested, and keep continuing with your vitamin D. That is vitamin gratitude.
Oh,
Thank you.
Wow.
Okay.
So good.
Thank you all. Bye.
Thank
Thank
Those
you.
who
you.
joined.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, Preeti.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.